are about to see is a very fun vlog.
At a very special place in the Philippines.
And the way we filmed it is a bit different, so please enjoy it.
Greetings from the Philippines! Happy New Year! And yeah, it's ridiculous.
Let's just say, guess we'll make this time.
No, also wrong. So easy. Look at the scenery where we are. And, huh? What are you doing? And what are you doing? What's happening? Are you going on a picnic or something? And what are you doing? Hey, we're not going anywhere. What's happening? One more. What are you doing? Huh? One more? Here, what's one more? And what about this one? Also a bag. Okay, if you want to know what we're doing, continue watching and you will find out after the intro that's coming now.
Search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
Everybody ready?
Yeah!
You want to know what the challenge is? First, we're gonna draw lots.
Can I look already?
Yeah.
Wait, looking.
I didn't get to pick one.
Now we're going to our other location. Let's go. Oh, no, let's first find out who had tried to read.
I have the 7th thing.
No, L.
Oh.
L from listen and the G from guess.
I have a something.
No, you will find out. And they look a bit funny because I first made lots L and H. Listen and hear. So I had to change the H to G. Yeah, from guess. Now let's go to our special location. And of course we could do this challenge in a very simple way, but we decided not to do it at home. We decided to do it in a very special location here in Tagaytay City with a wonderful, majestic view. So we are going to do the guess sounds, listen and guess sounds challenge right here at this spot, giving you in the meantime this wonderful, amazing, marvelous, majestic
You wanna come here?
view.
Comment down below.
Would you like to know where we are? Tagaytay. Look at this.
This one?
Ooh, look at this.
Cover.
This will be our divider. So in the middle here.
Spider.
Now go on, dance.
I'm gonna stand there. Okay.
I made it even worse. Listen and guess also the same.
No, it's not.
So listen and guess, I meant guess, like they have to guess. So, yeah, it's true, you know, but the listen will be the one who will listen, and yeah, it's ridiculous.
Let's just say, guess we'll make this time. Let's just say, guess we'll make this time.
No, also wrong. Oh my goodness, I really screwed it up. This already a very nice. So, okay, now who will the L will be listening and the G will be giving. Yeah, giving. Or H. No, it was H. H. No, never mind. Okay, now I see a lot of stuff here. Amazing.
This is strategic.
Okay, the first sound, and after making the sound, they will get 15 seconds to guess. If you want to guess with us, with them, then just put a paper or something and block half of the screen, and then you can guess without seeing it. Yes? Samuel starts. Time is running.
Guess.
Samuel's blue brush.
Come,
Comb. No. Come on, youngest, come on. 5 more seconds, I think.
Glasses.
Oh! Now, Samuel, you last guess. Now, Samuel, it was show him. Okay, next one, next sound. Baruchel.
You wait, first has to make the
Three,
sound.
two, wait. Lego book. Spoon and far.
Almost.
Spoon. 2 spoons.
Yeah, very good, very good. Next sound.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yes? In the meantime, look at the wonderful.
Listen. 3, 2, 1.
Can't hear that.
You can.
Can't hear that. Have you heard anything?
No.
Yeah, but we don't know what it is.
Oh.
Pink.
Did you put this a timer?
Yes, it's almost finished.
3 seconds.
Maybe like this.
Table? Oh.
No, I can't hear that. It was a very bad choice.
No, it was hearable. It
No,
was.
I didn't hear it. Okay, Samuel again. Well, what is it?
A brush. The blue brush.
Again, brush.
Yes.
What about you?
Time is running.
I don't know.
How many seconds?
5, 4,
Brush.
3.
So how many? Yeah, too late. It was. Baruchel. What is the score, Vivian?
1, 0, 1.
1 out of 4.
Is there anything? I didn't hear anything. Pleasure.
Abby?
Iconic.
Do your oor different.
Ik weet het. Het is mascara.
No, it is not. Okay, no point again. So what is the score? 1 point for them. Now it's Moriah again.
Timer.
I didn't hear anything. Fidget spinner.
Yay! Yeah, was it right, Moriah? Yeah, and within the time.
2 points.
2 points for them right now. Now the last.
2 points.
So the last one for this row, and then we go to the other group. Go,
Ooh, are you ready?
Samuel.
That is a Bluetooth speaker.
Wow! Yes. And next time show it. Show it to them what it was.
3 points.
Yeah.
Baru.
Baruchel. Shh, listen. Shh.
I know. Toothbrush, I think.
You?
You can come closer.
I don't hear anything.
Listen.
It's a bag. No.
Oh.
Last chance.
What was that, Jedaiah?
Yeah.
I know. I wanted
Yeah.
to say
So
that
it was
one.
a dried leaf. Okay, Mariah's last turn for this time. How are you going to do that? Okay, listen. Shh, listen. Come closer.
Wait.
No peeking.
And it's a brush. Some.
Don't look.
It's the lice brush.
What?
Jedaiah, what is that?
Some. It's dog.
No, it is the.
It says it's a cover.
So I guess it counts.
Is it cover?
Yeah, dop.
Okay, yeah, dop is cover in Dutch. Okay, so 3 points for them.
No, 4 points.
4 points. Okay, now it is your turn to make sounds. Yes?
As of now, we have 4 points in this corner, and this corner has a chance to win some points. So,
Evie.
ready? Get set, go!
Oh, it's a hairbrush.
Yeah! Show it, Evie. Yeah! Okay, Jedaiah.
Okay.
Oh, it's confused.
It's.
Coins.
Money.
Oh, you make it very easy for them. Coins. Wow. I think you need a. Okay.
Yeah.
Just snap it like that. Let go. Okay.
Chips.
So,
Huh?
5 more seconds. 4,
Do it again.
3,
Do it again.
2.
It's the fan thing that you can open.
Yeah, it's the fan thing. It's the fan thing.
But I think you shouldn't get it, so many chances. Okay, Abby, your turn again.
Water.
You're making it so easy for them. No, if I was you, I would skip this one. It's too easy. No, not do that one. It's too easy.
Okay.
Okay, try that one. Yeah, try that one because they made sounds that you can't even hear.
Toothbrush.
Toothpaste.
No. How many seconds still?
Can't hear it.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Rubbing your hair.
1. No. What did they say? Panty liner. Inlegkruisje, jak. Okay, Hoshi, it's your turn. It's your turn.
Oh, it's a
So easy. You almost get. I think you almost get an extra point for that one. Oh my goodness. Okay, we go back to the other group because I think they need some chance to redeem themselves. So let's give this group one more time to make noises, and this group one more time to make noises. It's now. How many is now? 4 or 5?
Wait.
They still have to
One
do
more
some
round.
more.
You can still one.
Oh, one more round?
Yeah, there was 9.
Oh, yeah, one more. Okay, Evie.
Make it harder.
Pen, snapping,
Elastic.
Don't break it, huh?
rubber band.
Rubber band, yes. Opening a bottle thing. Hair.
Hey, enough.
Yeah, our bunch of-
Don't give them so much.
Is it time's up?
No? 3,
2.
none. Yeah, okay. Jedaiah. And I wonder, did you guess it, what it was? Okay, Jedaiah.
It's a key.
Yes.
Key.
It's a belt.
Are you,
Oh my goodness.
okay, Hoshi.
Listening us. Wait.
One more time. One more time.
Is it a spray thing?
What?
Spray thing.
Whatever it
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
Toothbrush.
sure.
Yes, now show it to them.
Toothbrush.
Hey, enough. Okay, now 7 points for them.
4 points here.
Oh.
So that means they need a chance to redeem themselves. So let's give this group, both groups, one more chance. Yes, so 9 sounds for this group. What is your first sound, Samuel? Mariah, the timer?
Are you ready to listen?
Yes. It's the brush, the blue brush.
Yeah! Oh, can I see it? Show it.
It's actually a comb.
He's very happy.
Nice.
Yeah! Next! Baru, your turn.
3, 2,
Listen.
1. It's a hit.
Yeah, a zipper. Very good. So it was the zipper. Yeah, show the things there, jongens. Moriah. So what is that? Hmm.
Mascara.
No. You still have chance. You still have chance. No. What was it, Moriah? Show it to the people and to them.
Ta-da!
Ah. So how many points do they have, Mama?
6 points here, 7 points here.
Oh.
Okay, Samuel, you still have 2 chances. Listen, jongens. Shh. They can't hear it.
Glasses.
Yeah. Hey, you have to make sure that your sound can be heard even when there's wind. Yes?
7. Whose turn is it? Mine.
Now it's Baru's turn.
Go.
It's a key.
Yeah, that's honest. That is easy.
Okay.
Okay, Moriah again.
Key.
Key, it's right there.
Or a
A key hanger.
key hanger, keychain. Can you show it, Moriah? Yeah. Yeah. This will be an easy one.
It's paper or something. It's.
Yeah, but what is he doing?
She's staring at paper.
Yeah, show it, Samuel. Yeah. Okay, Baru.
He's.
One more time.
He's Doing like this. Doing like this with a brush.
Or why with the brush?
Slipper.
Yay! Now Mariah's last one. Mariah?
So listen closely if you can't
Look,
hear.
listen, your ears need it, but
Listen.
don't look.
Something you're not allowed to do at home.
For at home.
4, 3, 2,
Like this.
1.
Like this.
No. That's very difficult. Okay, what is the score now, mommy?
11-7.
11-7. So
7, but now it's their chance.
you still have 9 chances. Oh no. Can you still make it? Can you still win?
They can still win. They
So,
can still win.
for the honor.
Yeah.
No, let's go.
Let's go.
Abby. Maybe not a sound, Abby, but the same
It's
thing.
a table.
The glass.
It's a wooden table.
Yes, the wooden table.
What?
Your
Wrong.
it's a toothbrush against the wooden table. It's a hairbrush against the wooden table.
No.
You're scratching the wooden table. You're tapping the wooden table.
5, 4,
Doing it with a-
3,
with your head, like
2, 1. It was a stick at the bench. Yeah, what is the score, mommy?
Still 11-7. 7 here, 11 here. So,
Did it so well?
11, yeah.
Wow.
The last one.
Now, try. Or did you make it so easy for them? Okay.
Tic tac.
It's matches.
Baru.
Oh no, it's the toothpicks.
9, 8, 7, 6,
It's
5,
Candy.
4, 3,
Toothpicks.
2, 1. Yay! Okay, next. Listen.
it's a thing that you can do like this.
One more time.
Yeah,
bomb.
the one.
Yeah. Show it. Yeah.
11.
Abby, next.
Yeah.
It's a comb. Hairbrush.
It's your feet.
I don't think the Guinness Book of Records would not allow that sound, I
It's a
think.
bottle.
Oh, it's this.
No. Abby, show it here, please.
Show it.
Show what you did.
This side.
Ah.
This side.
Yeah. So I think next time these things are not allowed. That is not natural for this thing to use it like that. Okay, Jedaiah. Go. Okay, enough.
It's a spoon.
And
Two
It's a hairbrush.
points.
Yeah.
yeah. The spoon with a toothbrush.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay.
9 points.
Okay, Hoshi.
You can hear already.
Okay, enough.
Enough.
This is this toothbrush and toothbrush.
Hey, why is the sound not on?
That's a good one.
Oh, cheater! Cheater! Even 70 seconds! Oh! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na. Medicine strip. Yeah, so Abby again.
Abby, one more time.
It's a table.
It's a key against the table.
Enough.
It's a kid.
So, no, come on.
It's
Try.
a key on the table. It's
No,
a-
wrong. It's wrong. Okay, guess wrong.
Comb scratching the table.
No,
Toothbrush scratching
no.
the table. It did say.
What did it say, Cole?
Comb scratching the table.
Oh, no. Okay.
11.
10, 11. Vivian is using her sexy legs.
Don't show the back of my legs and you won't.
No, next. Okay, quiet.
It's a bag or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh man. Hey, you make it too easy for them. No, Hoshi. Not anymore.
One more time then. You heard it?
Yeah, but
It's a
they.
toothbrush
Clap.
tapping.
Bottle.
Hey, but you should press the timer much earlier. 4, 3, 2.
Toothbrush and a thing.
Wrong. Show it, Hoshi. Show it here. Ayo, oh, look at that. Show. What is that? No, it's a mosquito repellent.
Hey, we've got to tie one more here and one more. Just one. Tie,
Nee, but we need to think of one first.
Hey, mosquitoes are coming here.
It makes sense.
Okay. Hey, make it difficult for them. Okay, now they have both groups have come up with a new sound.
Yes.
And we're going to start now with this one.
It's a stick. You're moving a stick.
Yeah! Yes. Hey, don't show it. Okay, now it's 1-0 then now of 12-11. Now, Abby, listen. It's a soft sound, but you can hear it. No. Do it here.
Is it too right?
One more time. Okay, that's all you get. No, one more time. Between two hands, Abby.
Rubbing a piece of paper.
No, wrong.
Carton.
No, so it's clear. 12 points for this group. 11 points for the big piece. Ah, losers. They have lost. Yeah. Now, we of course hope you enjoyed this setting. Us do the sound challenge here.
So here's the prize.
Here's the prize.
20 pesos for you three and 100 for you.
Why did they get money?
No, consolation.
Course, consolation prize, first prize. Now, if you liked it, then please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, then where can you do that?
Here's for vlog. Here's special vlog for you.
And don't forget to hit the notification button and please share our vlog. Yes? Greetings from Tagaytay, Philippines.